strength in the first 20 days.
Good morning, folks. This is Naeem, Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade's, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. In today's segment, what we really kind of wanted to discuss is the most important economic number, which is also known as the mother of all economic data. And I'm referring to the US non-farm payroll. This particular economic number will be released today at 1:30 p.m. UK time. Now, when this number will hit the terminal, one thing is pretty sure, that we are going to see massive volatility in the market. So what does that really mean? And then where are the opportunities in terms of a stock market and in terms of a commodities? So if we begin by looking at commodities, first of all, and that means by looking at gold prices, they are trading below that critical level of 1900. And of course, that is primarily because investors are little bit more comfortable with the risk on trade, and then they believe that, look, with the Democrats controlling the Senate, Congress, House, and the White House, the policies which are going to be dictated in the coming year is going to be very much the Democratic policies, and that means more stimulus. So because of that, what we're really seeing in the market is a risk on rally, and this is the reason that the Dow Jones futures, even as of today, they are trading over 100 points, and yesterday we saw the Dow Jones futures logging another 200 points, so meaning another record high on the stock market. Now, when it comes to gold prices, the reason that we're seeing the retracement in gold prices is because of the risk on rally. Investors are more interested in riskier assets than the risk off asset. However, that can change today at 1:30 p.m. when the US non-farm payroll data will come. Because if the data confirms that, look, there is a lot of weakness in the US labor market, because this is the first time in nearly 8 months that we are going to see a reading for the US non-farm payroll, which is going to be less than 100,000. Now, the fact that the number has dropped below the 100,000 for the first time in 8 months, this very much dictates that, look, the situation is getting worse. And as I talked about yesterday, the number of bankruptcies for the US corporations, they are also rising as well. So if the focus goes on these particular factors, then we could easily see gold prices moving higher, back above the 1900 price level. Speaking from technical price levels, on the 4-hour time frame, the price is trading below the 50-day simple moving average, and that confirms that, look, bulls are losing control very fast. But in terms of a resistance, I think the markets is still very much focused on the recent high that we've seen this week, and that is at 1961. In terms of a support, it is running between 1853 to 1869, so anywhere in around that zone could be a good buying opportunity when it comes to really gold prices. But there's no doubt that gold is way oversold when you look at the RSI. Now, in terms of cryptos, yes, we've seen a remarkable price level for Bitcoin, because yesterday the price touched that 40,000 price level for the first time ever, and now we are seeing very much of a consolidation. Of course, the RSI is in way oversold territory, but there is still a little more room to the upside, because RSI is trading in around 80, and previously the RSI was at 93. So it can really go up to that particular level. So that means we could still achieve the $50,000 price level in terms of a Bitcoin. That's all from my side today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy trading to you.